Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is currently Friday. Does anyone feel like these weeks have been flying by? I feel like these weeks have been going by so fast. I don't know if that's just because I'm like trying to keep myself busy with vlogging and just YouTube. I filmed a makeup tutorial recently, and then I just filmed like a little DIY like crafts thing. I made a new backdrop for my makeup tutorials and everything, so that kept me busy. Anyways, I feel like these weeks have just been going by really fast, which is awesome in my favor because that means that it is pretty much halfway till my husband gets to come home, and I am so excited. Can't say anything else except for I'm really excited and that he's pretty much at halfway. How have you guys been doing? Are you good? How's everything been going? I feel like I haven't vlogged for like a week or so because I've been doing other types of videos. I feel like vlogging is like starting to be like my little comfort zone. I took a break off of social media. It's been 8 days. It has been 8 days, you guys, since I haven't been on Facebook or Instagram. Those are the like main two social media apps that I'm really on. Twitter, I'm not really active in. I mean, I check it, but it's not something that I'm like addicted to. Instagram and Facebook, I definitely felt like I needed to just take a break from. I actually ended up deleting my apps just because I do not have the self-control to just like not click on the app. So I was like, you know what? I need to take a big bold step and just delete the app. So that's what I did, and it's been 8 days. And I wanted to get to a point where I didn't feel the need to get on them because the first few days I found myself like scrolling to where my apps generally were on my phone, being like, oh yeah, they're not there, just because I'm so like programmed to just like always scroll and look on my apps. And I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. And so I was like, wow, Michaela, you need help. Okay, sorry, my camera died. But anyways, I was just saying that I took about an 8-day break off of social media. I still haven't re-downloaded my apps. I actually had to take them off of my phone because I know I don't have the self-control to not open them up. I just felt like I needed to take a break because I just felt like anytime I was getting on social media or Facebook or Instagram, there's just a huge divide with what's going on right now, especially in the world. I've been seeing a lot of like, if you don't agree with my views and you don't think how I think, then you're wrong, you're dumb, you're an idiot, you're inconsiderate of other people. And it's like, why does it have to be like that? There's a lot of people actually on social media, whether that's friends, family, acquaintances, that I honestly just don't agree with their views and everything. And that's totally okay. That's why we live in America. That's why we live in the greatest country in the world, is because we have the freedom of choice. It's okay to think differently. I'm not going to put someone down because they don't think the same way as me. And if you have a problem with, you know, what other people are saying, dude, figure it out and like move on, you know? And if you're getting that upset about something, then take a step back. And that's what I need to do. I was getting really upset with it and I need to take a step back. And so that's what I did. And it feels amazing to not be consumed in that. And I just want the best for people, you know, and if they think differently than me, then that's totally okay. Like I said, that's why we have the freedom of choice and being able to make our own decisions and everything. You know, I love you and I want the best for, you know, you, and you can do you. Let me do me, and let's just get on with life. Anyways, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm at the point where I want to download my apps again, but I'm kind of like, I've been doing so good without it. Do I really need them? But I also use Instagram and Facebook to promote my YouTube, to promote my makeup when I am doing makeup again. I think I'm gonna have to just be very more aware and careful as to what I'm allowing, like input wise and whatnot, if that makes sense. But anyways, that's not even the point of this video. That is not why like I even wanted to make this video today. This has nothing to do with it. I'm actually redoing my patio furniture again. That is why I'm doing this video. I got some spray paint, which is, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's back there. So I am going to respray paint it and just kind of start from scratch and everything. Because if you guys watched my last video, it was not good. It was not pleasant. I did not turn out how I thought it was, and I strongly dislike it. So we're gonna redo that and just kind of tidy up the house and everything. Still got that pile of laundry in the back. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I'll probably catch up on some YouTube real quick and then get to it. It's supposed to be really, really warm out today, so I want to spray paint before it gets up in the 80s, which is gonna be pretty soon. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Do y'all love this shirt? I mean, come on now, come on now. I actually went to Ross yesterday because I heard they were having like major clearances just because they were closed and whatnot. And so my intention going in there was to be like, let me get some cute summer blouses, get some cheap stuff. Walked out with this. No regrets though. Anyways, I'm just gonna go outside right now and start spray painting. I think I'm just gonna do a coat real quick, and then since it's so nice out, it's supposed to be like in the 80s for the next week and just like pure sun, I'm going to blow up my little inflatable pool so I can lay out in it this afternoon. I'm just gonna let like the water and everything warm up while I'm doing the rest of my DIY project, and I'll show you real quick the paint I got. Let's go downstairs. I got this paint. I've used this so many times. Rust-Oleum Painters paint and primer. This is in the shade Dark Walnut. It looks like it's black, but it's just a really, really dark brown. It is pretty much identical to this chair, which is what I was wanting because I really just don't want to paint this rocking chair and ruin it. So I tested the paint on it yesterday and it seemed to match pretty well. So I'm going to spray paint those two bad boys real quick, and then I will probably put up the full right over there while they're drying. Okay, so I just finished using 1 can of spray paint and my finger already hurts. I did the whole bottom half of the table and then I did half of the bottom half of the chair before I ran out of spray paint. I have 1 more can, but I'm just taking a break because literally like my finger, like does anyone else's finger hurt from spray painting when they're like, yeah, it hurts really bad. So I'm gonna take a break from that for a second, let everything chill. I also feel bad because like I live right next door to my neighbors. I don't want them to get upset if like fumes travel into their backyard. So I'm trying to like not do it when the wind blows, but I'm like, hopefully nobody complains on me. I think while that's drying and while like I'm resting my fingers and whatnot, I'm going to set up my inflatable pool to put in the backyard and start filling that with water so that I can warm up by later this afternoon, so maybe I can float around in it. It's not a big pool, it's not anything fancy. It was $25 at Walmart. We're back in front of the mirror again. It's been a couple hours since I last checked in with you guys. I got my pool all set up. It was actually funny because I was on the phone with my sister-in-law and I totally forgot that the hose was going, and my pool kind of overflowed a little bit, so I had to fix that. I had to actually sit down for a little while because I was feeling just really tired and winded, and I don't know, it just kind of felt odd. But I just got out of laying in my pool for like the last hour and it felt so nice, you guys. I love how I say pool like I'm laying in my luxury pool, but let's be honest, $25 pool from Walmart. But it gets the job done. My freckles are showing whenever I'm out in the sun. My freckles on like my arm and shoulder pop through, especially on my face. And I got some on my stomach too, I noticed, which I never noticed that I had freckles on my stomach before. So anyways, I'm gonna probably shower because I feel like a sweaty hot mess right now and I don't really have anything else planned for the rest of the day. I did spray paint a little bit more on the furniture, however I ran out of spray paint, so I'm probably gonna have to run back to Home Depot tomorrow to get some more so that I can just finish it. That's pretty much it. So if I don't check in with you guys tonight, then I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It is a little bit after 2 p.m. and I have been hopping and bopping all over town. I left I left my house around like 10:30 this morning so I can go get supplies and everything to finish up my patio, and I just got back home. I stopped on my way home to get a cherry limeade because it's hot and these are hands down the best on a hot summer day. So I want to show you guys everything that I got because I was honestly planning to go to Home Depot to get spray paint to just finish the furniture and then later on in another vlog to decorate everything, but I was like, you know what, I'm already out, let's just do it. So I'll show you guys everything I got. I went to Home Depot, Lowe's, didn't get anything from Lowe's actually. I went to Target, Hobby Lobby, and Big Lots. I didn't get anything from Big Lots either. Let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so I'm just gonna bounce around with what I got because it's kind of all over the place. Yes, excuse the mess. Pile of laundry still over there, going strong. I got this welcome sign because I just needed a new updated one. This I got from Target. I got that from Target, just super simple welcome sign. I got some more of this spray paint because I ran out of it. So I got 2 cans of this, and then, oh, let me just sit on the floor because why not? Ow! I hate having concrete floors because I don't have a butt. So when I was at Lowe's, I was thinking about getting a whole new cushion set for my rocking chair because that's where we originally got our furniture, but it's like $75 to get the new cushion set, and honestly there weren't any colors I was like obsessed with or absolutely felt like I wanted to replace, but I know I just don't like the cushion set that is out there right now just because it's old, it's dated, it's like 4 years old, it's sun damaged, it's like a really ugly cream yellow shade, which I don't even think that was the original shade. So I found this at Home Depot though, which is really exciting. I found this, excuse me for my fugly toes. I found this Rust-Oleum outdoor fabric paint. It's in this like beigey grayish. It's in a grayish color. It's in a medium gray color. And I read the reviews on it. They were kind of like mixed. Like some people were saying that it works really, really well. Some people were saying that it can be a little splotchy. I think it depends on maybe the color of your original fabric as well as the color paint you're using. And so since this is kind of a similar tone range area, hopefully it'll work. But I'm gonna try this out because these were only $11 a can and I got 2 of them and I only have to do 2 cushions. So I was like, you know what, why not try and see if this works before I go spend $75 on a new cushion. So we'll see if this works, and if not, I'll just get a new cushion. So I also went to Hobby Lobby and I got this little like grate tray thingy in black and then a white pot. I kind of wanted like an outdoor plant that would be good in the sun that I didn't really have to take care of very much as like a little centerpiece for our patio table. So I got a really cute white ceramic pot to put this in. Hopefully it fits. I was kind of just guessing. I got a jalapeno plant per my husband's request because he really wants to have jalapenos. It kind of bent in the car actually. But he really wants jalapenos when he gets home from deployment, so I got him a little jalapeno plant to go put in the ground. I got flowers, you guys. I'm just gonna put these next to my front door on either side. I'm not gonna hang them because I don't feel like it, so I don't know if I'll cut the little hooks off or not, but I thought this would be really pretty to put on my front door with the welcome sign and just have something light and fresh and flowery. And these are full sun, so they're okay to sit in the sun all day. So I got those at Home Depot. I think they were like $5 each. They were on sale, which is awesome. These pillows I got from Target. This one I believe is from the Magnolia brand, the Hearth and Hand or Heart and Hand, whatever, Hearth and Heath, whatever it's called. And then this one's just a Target brand, and I thought these were just really cute, textured-ish. And if I spray paint the patio chair that gray color, I feel like it will look really nice and complement these with the dark brown furniture. So that's what we're going for. It's really hot outside. It's about 85 degrees. I don't think I'm going to spray paint the cushions today just because it's so hot, but I am going to finish the furniture itself so it can dry. So I don't know if I'll put the patio cushion in this video or another video, or maybe just like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm like, I need food. Let's finish spray painting the patio furniture and then see where we end up with this whole shenanigans. Okay. Okay, you guys, so it is later on in the day. The sun is going down, and I just want to check back in with you guys because, yeah, that spray paint for the fabric, that did not work at all. That, oh my gosh, you guys, it came out so bad. I didn't even finish one cushion. It was just so bad. I'm actually gonna pop a picture up to show you guys how bad it was. And the weird thing is like the instructions said that it was good for patio furniture, so I thought it was gonna come out really well, but for whatever reason, the fabric just kept like absorbing and absorbing and absorbing the paint, and it was just splotchy, and it did not look good. I was like, I will not fail at the patio project. I refuse to fail. So, because I'm crazy, I actually ended up going back to Lowe's to get the cushions that fit for my specific rocking chair, because I was like, I gotta finish this. I gotta get this done. I can't keep like leaving this project undone. Like it's killing me and I want it done now. So I went back to the store, got the cushions, and you guys, it looks so good. I First of all, it did not turn out how I thought it would. I thought it was gonna go in a completely different direction, and I am not mad how it turned out. It's beautiful, it's just classic, it's clean, it's very minimal colors, it's just like, you know, dark brown, black, white, texture is beautiful, very like farmhouse, like modern farmhouse, which is actually the style that I've been really loving lately, with like pops of like greenery. So I am so obsessed with it, and it's gonna be so gorgeous with the lights on and everything. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Not how I was expecting it to turn out, but I'm not mad about it. I kind of like it even more actually. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun following me along this stressful journey, and hopefully this motivates you guys to fix up your patio, or maybe demotivates you with how much of a struggle it's been for me. I don't know. But I did want to close out this vlog and just say thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!